Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayo Aoye. If you're just joining us, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below your screen and also tap the like button. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this tie knot skirts pattern, and it's another type of tie knot style design, something like what I've also made before. If you saw my video on how to make like a tie knot blouse, it's right up on your screen. So it's almost the same thing, but this is on in another variation. So once you watch the video, you would see that like there's a new twist from like the previous one to this one, like compared to this one. So if you have not seen the previous blouse tie knot blouse tutorial, check it out by tapping the link right on top of your screen. So yeah, a tie knot skirt. It's basically also revolves around like creating a hole on your pattern, and you would see how I'm going to proceed with that. So also note that I've also like made a short video on like this tie knot skirt before. If you see my check my YouTube shorts, you'd see that I've made like a YouTube short like of how to like make that tie knot skirt pattern. But this one is going to be more detailed. Like I'm going to give like a few more explanations just for you like to see how it's made. So guys, if you understood the short fast-paced video where I was just like illustrating and not explaining anything, you don't have to watch this one. So this one is going to give more details and more explanations. So here goes. So the foundation you need is your full complete basic skirt block, and here is mine right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to draw in the design of my wrap pattern, because the skirt is kind of like a wrap knot design, and really that's what I'm doing right now. So you just draw in the shape how you want it, and really I'm drawing according to what I have in the design above. So just look at it. So all I did was just to like create an intersection in the skirt. And if you look at my style design, the design picture right here, you'd see that what I have on my pattern is also what I have in the design picture. Check it out. Then I'm going to label each part A and B, and now I'm going to place a new piece of paper underneath this so that I can trace out A on a new piece of paper and also trace out B on a new piece of paper, and that's what I've done. Moving on, I'm going to draw in slash lines into A like I'm doing now, and then I'm also going to draw in slash lines into B like I'm also doing right now. Now, because I want to transfer the dart space here into one of my slash lines, I'm going to cut this line open all the way to my dart point, and then also cut one leg of my dart open. Then I'm going to close up my dart space, and the dart space will now be automatically transferred into my slash line. So I'm just going to extend the cutting of the lines, and then I'm cutting also all the other slash lines. Next thing would be for me to place a new piece of paper underneath this and spread all my slash lines open. So you spread it out as much as you want, and then you just like blend all of it. Now we move on to the other part of the skirt, which is our part B, and then I'm going to slash all my slash lines. I'm going to slash them open just like I did with my part A, and then I'll spread it out on a new piece of paper just like I've just done. And this is it completed, both part A and part B. So now I'm going to move right ahead to cut this on my fabric right now, and then I'll just show you how to like sew all the pieces together. And we won't be working on a back pattern. This is basically where all the pattern manipulations we have to do, this is where it stops, because the back pattern is really regular. It's just like a regular back pattern. There is no knots at the back. And to sew, I'm going to place both pieces right on top of each other like this, and then I'm going to pin down. So I'll pin at the top and then also pin at the bottom. Now, before stitching completely, I'm going to pleat a bit of the excess on B just so that they all align. That is the two parts A and B, they both align. And then while stitching, you stitch a bit at the top and also stitch a bit at the bottom, just so that you can have like a hole right in the middle. You can see the hole that I just like finished showing you right now. Now I'm going to push part A into the hole and bring it out on the other side. So that's what I'm doing right now. So just pull it through on the other side. And that's it, our completed tie knot front skirt. So just make sure when you're sewing for yourself, like an actual adult sized version, remember to like finish up and knitting up all the edges of the skirt, like with a lining or a facing if that's what you're using, just so that everything is tidy before you even like sew at all, like before you even proceed with any of the sewing I mentioned. So just do that first. And now that the front is complete, just place your regular back skirt, like your skirt back, just place it on this, on the front, right sides together, and then you sew at the side seam. And this right here is what it looks like fitted on my miniature mannequin. And that's the end of today's tutorial, guys. Easy peasy, right? I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to tap the subscribe button below your screen if you haven't already done so, and tap the notifications bell right below your screen so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials when I post them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.